good afternoon. This is me, 𝙼𝙋𝙃𝙄𝙉𝙄𝙉 from Jafil International Trading Corporation, 𝙼𝙃𝙄𝙉, Philippines. Today I am going to introduce you about our BACKHOE Caterpillar 308E. Now let me explain you about this BACKHOE. This BACKHOE is imported directly from Japan. It has a breaker line, so you can use it also for the digging purpose. Now coming to the front part, as you can see, there still is a rubber. It means that it is not much used in Japan. It's still in a very good condition. And as you can see, the pumps, they are still shiny. There is no need to recon it yet. Now talking about the running hours, it has only 8,700 running hours. Now after this video, I will let my operator operate this BACKHOE, and then you will see all the working of this equipment. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.